are very delighted to welcome you to our university here so that you can experience what it's like to conduct research. And we're also very delightful to introduce to you what it's like to do actual experiments. And I'm very excited that there's a lot of young minds who are still interested in science. Even nowadays, it seems like there's a lot of trends. So thank you very much. Enjoy yourself and have a good time. I know this is your holiday season, but you spend it doing research internship, so that's very commendable for you. And once again, thank you very much, everyone. Have a good time. Thank you.
Because now it's warm, but
Hey, now let's continue. Okay, 80 to 90 forward. Even like prolong the shelf life.
Hello everybody, my name is Gregoris Brian Adi Surya. I am from Santa Ursula BSD.
Hi, my name is Alexa and I'm a recent high school graduate from Sekolah Lentera, Indonesia.
Hi, my name is Josephine Patrice Alexander dari Sekolah Smaki PK Sunter.
Hello everyone, my name is Aziz. I am from PKBM AB Home and I am one of the Summer Research Intern at i3L for 2026.
My name is Karina from Santa Ursula BSD.
my name is Vanessa and I'm from BPK Penabur Singgasana.
My name is Angel and I'm also from BPK Singgasana.
We're gonna tell you more about our experiences here at i3L. This is my first time experiencing an internship at a lab, and it was a wonderful experience to do this with friends and RAs that were so nice and helping us navigate our first time experience here.
Probably the times where we micropipette with the electrophoresis. It's actually my favorite. I think it's really fun, and the TAs are also really nice and really easy to get along with.
I would agree with her. My favorite is the electrophoresis part. It's the easier part and the one of the faster parts.
Making the cricket ice cream, because at first I thought it's gonna be bad, the taste gonna be bad, but turns out it's actually really good. I love it. One of my favorite moments is at the first session where we're designing the drugs using in silico methods, where we choose the chemical properties of the drug and we test its binding affinity in a software, and that is really interesting for me.
So during the project, we did sensory testing. We learned how to develop products and how to determine whether the product is worth it or has a place in the market. Working in the lab was so fun because I got to do it with my new friends, and the labs were really complete and it was super cozy. So with the guidance of our TAs, we were really able to do a lot of new things.
The least favorite moment was when I did a lot of mistakes at first, like accidentally inverting the micropipette and doing too many resuspensions that it made the liquid foamy.
Hi, My name is Kezia Limawan and I'm from Biotechnology 2023 and I'm a research assistant for Glow Lab under Ms. Dina's supervision. I heard a lot from the students that, gee, let's do electrophoresis. Gee, I would like to see how the PCR works or something. Sometimes they also showed or give me some unique questions such as like, gee, how come if I drink the media or something, what will happen? I guess it's one of the things that makes the programs even more interesting because everyone has a lot of curiosities.
Hello, my name is Andrea and I'm the research assistant for this summer internship. Everything's fun so far.